Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Hello friends, welcome back to Fauzi Ki Alfaz. In this video, we will discuss 16th to 18th May most important one-liner current affair. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Please follow our community on Telegram, Facebook and Instagram. Link in description box. The first batch of the adjunct COVID therapy drug 2-deoxy-D-glucose developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization along with Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Hyderabad was released for emergency use. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh formally handed over the drug to Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan. Defense Research and Development Organization, founded 1958, headquarters New Delhi, Chairman G. Satish Reddy. In recently news, Smart Anti-Artificial Weapon, Ministry of Defense, headquarters New Delhi, founded 15th August 1947, Chief of Defense Staff General Bipin Rawat. Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh announced the creation of a new district of Malerkotla, carving the state's only Muslim majority town from Sangrur district. Adjoining Amargarh and Ahmedgarh will also form part of Punjab's 23rd district. Punjab CM Captain Amrinder Singh, Governor VP Singh Badnoor. The Union government is looking to establish 20 technology and research and development infrastructure centers that will be shared among academicians, labs, startup and industries. 3 such centers set up at IIT Kharagpur, IIT Delhi and BHU Varanasi are being operated with a transparent open access policy. According to the Union government, DST will establish 5 such centers every year for the next 4 years. The government has granted tax exemptions to 4 more foreigners funds for their earning from infrastructure investments made in India between now and March 2024. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will chair the 43rd Goods and Service Tax Council meeting on May 28, 2021 through video conferencing. Ministry of Finance, founded 29 October 1946, headquarters New Delhi, Cabinet Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. In recent news, the appointment committee of the Cabinet has approved the appointment of TV Somnathan as the new Finance Secretary. The Biden administration has announced that Indian-American Neera Tandon will now join the White House as a senior advisor to President Joe Biden. Tandon served as President and CEO of CAP and has served as the CEO of the Center for American Progress Action Fund. Madhya Pradesh CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan has announced that all the students who have lost their parents or guardians during the current COVID-19 pandemic will be offered free education. Apart from that, they will also be provided with a monthly pension of Rs 5,000 for their books and other necessities. Madhya Pradesh CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Governor Anandiben Patel. Ruskin Bond has carefully curated 25 of his most cherished stories in a new book, All-Time Favorite for Children. He received the Sahitya Academic Award for English Written in India in 1993, the Padma 99 and the Delhi Government Lifetime Achievement Award in 2012. World Rugby has confirmed the dates for next year's Women's Rugby World Cup in New Zealand, with the tournament to run from 8th October to 12th November 2022. The 12-team tournament, which was due to be held this year in Auckland and Wangario, was postponed earlier this year due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Indian Information Service Officer Dayavanti Srivastava passed away due to COVID complications in May 2021. She was posted at the Press Information Bureau in New Delhi. Press Information Bureau, Formation 1999, Headquarters National Media Center, New Delhi. Minister Prakash Javadekar. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma on May 11 allocated the finance portfolio to Ajanta Nyog, making her the first woman finance minister of the northeastern state. Nyog, who was elected to the State Assembly from the Golghat Assembly constituency in eastern Assam, would also hold the social welfare portfolio. Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sarma. As part of its growing digital service, Airtel Payments Bank has launched a digital platform DigiGold in partnership with digital gold provider SafeGold. With DigiGold, Airtel Payments Bank's savings account custom can invest in 24K gold using the Airtel Thanks app. Sahitya Academy awardee, journalist and noted intellectual Homan Borgohain passed away in May 2021. His most well-known novel in Pita Putra got him the Sahitya Academy Award in 1978. Footwear major Bata India Limited announced the appointment of Gunjan Shah as its new Chief Executive Officer. Shah, who will be at the helm of brands operations in India, takes over from Sandeep Kataria, who has been elevated as the global CEO of Bata Brands. Rafael Nadal beat world number 1 Novak Djokovic to win a 10th Italic Open title. Nadal equaled Djokovic's record for the most number of Master 1000 titles. The two gladiators of the sport have 36 Master 1000 titles each, while Roger Federer in the third spot with 28 wins. Andrea Meza of Mexico has been crowned Miss Universe for the year 2020, besting contestants from 74 other countries including Miss India Adeline Castellano, who came in fourth as the beauty pageant. The 69th edition of the event, which was held at the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Hollywood here, was a scaled-down affair in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic. In Tamil Nadu, former director of Central Bureau of Investigation Rahul Thaman passed away at Chennai. A postgraduate in economics from Annamalai University, Raghav Thaman joined the CBI as a sub-inspector in 1968. His books on Rajiv Gandhi murder, assassination of Mahatma Indira Rajiv Gandhi, and third-degree crime investigation management, as well as crime and the criminal, were popular. Tamil Nadu CM M.K. Stalin, Governor Banwarilal Purohit. So this is all about today's video. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care and Jai Hind. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest update.